Hey there, in this video, I'll walk you through the process of adding a link to your TikTok bio. Let's get started. Grab your mobile device and open up your TikTok app. Once you're in, tap on your profile at the bottom right. Now, on your profile, tap on 3 horizontal lines at the upper right this time. A pop-up will appear. Click on Settings and Privacy. In the settings, click on Your Account. Here, you'll find the option to switch to a business account. Go ahead and click on that. Just tap Next. Choose a category for your business and click Next again. Now, you'll need to add your email. Type it in and click on Add. Next, share a bit about your business in the bio and hit the Confirm button. Click on Create Now, or if you're not ready, you can choose Maybe Later. Now, go back to your profile and voila, you'll see the link in your bio. To make any changes, tap on the Edit Profile button. There, you can easily update your link whenever you need. And there you have it. Thanks a bunch for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, share it to your pals, and hit that subscribe button for more content. Cheers!